Oh, it looks nice. What are you gonna get?
I might get the ham and cheese.
Don't worry, I'll get it. Oh, my back, my back.
Oh, don't worry, dear, I'll get it. Oh, oh, my neck. Oh, 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 my neck.
Oh, my back.
Don't worry, I'll get that for you. Oh, my knee. Oh,
Oh, my back.
my knee. Oh.
I can get it for you. I can get it. My shoulder.
Oh, for flip's sakes.
Hey, Dr. Promise.
Roxy, honey, go over and get that for them.
Ouch, my butt!
I'm not moving.
Cheers. My knee.
Chyba mi nie płacą wystarczająco za to.
My L4, L5.
Smells like inflexibility. Hello there.
Oh, wise Tom Morrison. Teach me your ways.
Well, it just so happens I've got just the program for you. It's called the Simplistic Mobility Method. It's a one-time payment and you don't need any equipment.
But can't you just tell us for free?
There's loads of exercises on our YouTube channel for free, but having exercises without any structure is why you haven't fixed yourself yet. Plus, I need to keep paying for these hilarious adverts.
Oh, Tom Morrison, you're so dreamy. I want to have your children.
Tom! Are you daydreaming about flung and sexable adverts again?
No, I was just wondering where my fork and knife was. Hi-ho, flung in silver, away!